In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Fitbit not syncing with Strava. If your workouts aren't making it from your Fitbit to your Strava feed, don't worry. We'll walk through a clean refresh of the connection, reset the apps, trigger a fresh sync with a quick test activity, and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is cooperating. Follow along and take your time with each step. First, refresh the connection between the two services. Open a web browser and go to strava.fitbit.com. Sign in to your Fitbit account if you're prompted. On this page, find the Fitbit plus Strava connection and choose to revoke or disconnect access. This clears out old permissions that may have expired. Once it's disconnected, immediately reconnect. Click to connect again, sign in to Strava when asked, and authorize the connection. Make sure you allow access to activities so new workouts can transfer. When you see a confirmation message, you're set. Give it a moment to register before moving on. Next, reset both mobile apps. Log out of the Fitbit app and the Strava app. After you're logged out, force quit each app to clear any cached sessions. On most phones, that means opening your recent apps view and swiping both apps away. Then reopen each one, sign back in, and wait for the Fitbit app to fully load your dashboard. This helps ensure both apps are using the fresh connection you just set up. Now, create a quick test to kick off a new sync. On your Fitbit device, start a very short activity, like a walk lasting 30 to 60 seconds, then end and save it. Open the Fitbit app and let it sync with your device until the activity appears there. Once it shows up in Fitbit, open Strava and check your feed or activities. It can take a minute or two to arrive, so be patient. New test activities are the most reliable way to confirm the link is working. Finally, refresh your phone's Bluetooth since your Fitbit relies on it to sync. Turn Bluetooth off, wait about 10 seconds, and turn it back on. Keep your phone close to your Fitbit while Bluetooth restarts. Reopen the Fitbit app to re-establish the connection, then check Strava again for the test activity. This quick toggle often clears stuck Bluetooth sessions that block syncing. That's it. By reconnecting the integration, resetting both apps, recording a short test, and refreshing Bluetooth, you should have your Fitbit sending activities to Strava again. If the test activity appears, your regular workouts should follow the same path going forward.